Hi, I'm David Kelly with FlexManage, and I'm here today to talk to you about Azure Fast Starts, Infrastructure as a Service, or Azure Fundamentals. An Azure Fast Start is an interactive, structured workshop designed by FlexManage to quickly deliver business benefits to you. An Azure Fast Start gives you a number of key benefits. The first is knowledge and understanding of Azure, Microsoft's intelligent cloud. The second is access to subject matter experts for your Fast Start. The third is an accelerated deployment of a common workload. The fourth is hands-on experience in your environment using the technology. And the fifth is a proof of concept running within your Azure subscription. So what is Azure? Azure is Microsoft's intelligent cloud approach to computing. It's about utilizing the internet's vast scale and flexibility to give you resources on demand to extend your business. Azure is global. Microsoft currently has over 30 data centers in all major regions available for you to use. Azure has many different capabilities to scale to your needs. The first is the ability to turn things on and off, saving you money when you are not using those resources. The second is the ability for you to grow as quickly as you need to, utilizing the almost unlimited resources in the internet. The third is the ability to respond to unpredictable needs of resources within your environment. And the fourth is a way to schedule your resources to go up and down depending on your real business needs. Azure is flexible and has three major models for you to use. The first is called Infrastructure as a Service. This is where you host your machines in Azure and utilize their infrastructure to run your virtual machines. The second is Platform as a Service, where Microsoft manages a lot of the layers for you, allowing you to focus on your application and data. The third is called Software as a Service. In Software as a Service, the Microsoft Cloud does most of the work for you, and you just utilize the service you need. To help you better understand these models, let's use making pizza as an analogy. At home, you take care of all the pieces, getting the pan, getting the pizza dough and the sauce, putting on the toppings, turning on the oven, delivering it to the table, and setting it up to eat. If you think about going to the store and buying a pizza, this is the take and bake model. This is where the vendor puts all the pieces of the actual pizza together for you. And the second model is delivery pizza. This is where they not only put together the pizza for you, but they bake it and bring it to your home. The third model would be going to a restaurant. This is where everything is done for you. Taking this analogy back to your systems, making a pizza in-home is like having your own in-house data center, where you do everything from networking, through the machines, up through your applications and data. The take and bake model, where the store would make your pizza for you, is very much like infrastructure as a service in the cloud. This is where a vendor takes care of all of the basic hardware pieces, networking, storage, virtualization, and servers for you, and you take care of the rest. The third model, Platform as a Service, maps to delivery pizza. This is where the vendor takes care of most of the pieces except your application, from networking all the way up through the operating system and the runtime data. The last model is Software as a Service. This is like going to a restaurant where the vendor takes care of everything for you. In this case, it would be networking all the way up through servers, your operating system, and the applications and data. Infrastructure as a Service allows you to move your machines from your data center very easily into Azure, or move them back. And it gives you the capability to resize your machines on demand to meet your business needs. This allows you to extend your data center into the cloud. Azure has over 34 machine sizes to choose from, and they're growing. Small machines with 1 core and under a gigabyte of RAM, all the way up to 32 core monsters with over 448 gigabytes of RAM. Azure has thousands of machine templates for you to choose from to jumpstart your usage of the cloud. Azure allows you to deploy machines, run them, and destroy them whenever you need to, saving you time only running machines when you need them. Azure has an amazing 99.95% SLA, ensuring that your machines will be up and running when you need them. Each Azure Fundamentals Fast Start workshop comes with a pre-engagement scoping call, 4 days of access to an Azure expert, an onboarding accelerator for infrastructure as a service, and educational services for your area. Key deliverables that you will get with your Fast Start workshop include setting up a virtual private network to Azure, extending your on-premise Active Directory to Azure, a proof of concept where we provision virtual machines in your Azure environment for you to use, and an Azure consumption plan for you to plan your future use of the cloud. I'm David Kelly at FlexManage. Thank you for attending my Azure Fundamentals Fast Start. I can be reached at dkelly@flexmanage.com.